in the gardens, and I said, I'm coming back. She said, well, you want to host? What does that mean? That mean having a good time? Because that's what I was doing the first time. And so the mayor invited me to host Jazz in the Gardens this year, and Daisy and I represent Black radio, and Black radio reaches a lot of people in this country and around the world, as we're on Armed Forces Network and our internet streaming. So we attracted a lot of people. There's people here from Washington, D.C. that are staying with me. D.C.'s in the house. That's my mom-in-law. Ms. Laverne. She came down along with Donna's friend, Pam, and my wife right there, Donna Richardson. Please stand. Please. Yeah. Stand up again. They're still taking pictures. Yeah. Strong change, strong change. So, all right. That's my wife and food police. Yeah. So, it's going to be nice. Any questions for me?
Well, let's take some questions.